Not bad. As the years are going by, the seasons are changing way too fast. It seems to me, especially since we have moved here. Before, everything was monotonous. It was just spring, summer, and fall. Now we have another season squeezed in our lives, and everything seems to go way too fast. It is past 2 years since we started building our own home, and finally we start seeing projects that are closing in. One of them was the well pump installation that we done in the summertime by ourselves, and we left the trenching open because the snow is gonna be here soon. We want to take everything out that doesn't supposed to be there because we don't want to worry about other things being outside. As an experiment, I push the gardening season as far as I can as an experiment. The carrots are still going on. Lavender is going away. Some of potatoes we've taken out. I have some other potatoes left. The salad is still growing. Tomatoes outside are almost done. We have here and there the leftovers that they are ripening, but the temperature during the nighttime it's around 40 degrees. That means they're not gonna have a chance to ripen, especially the ones that are outside. See, that has a little bit of color, and that's almost ripened. I'm gonna take those in a house and let them ripen in there. And in the cold frame, we have a lot of green tomatoes. They're about to turn, but I don't think they're going to have a chance to turn. That's Michael. He's collecting wood that we have around the property from the fallen trees that we have cut previously. But going back to the tomatoes, they're not gonna have time to turn red outside probably, and then I'm gonna pickle them. The squashes are small. Here one, and I think I have 3 over there. Yeah, one it's hidden right there. The beets are huge. It's the strawberries. They're making strawberries. Once they are turning whitish, they're good to pickle. You don't want it green like the top here, but this is good because it started to turn whitish. But if they're totally green, you better let them stay out a little bit more. So far, when I'm looking, they're most of them turning white-ish. Another red one. It's hard for me to pick them green, but I know they're gonna be good when I pickle them. I pick up some already, but better in a jar than wasted. They're such a pretty tomatoes. I got a few pounds here of green and some red tomatoes with the eggplants. Now that. Alright, I gathered everything I needed from this recipe. I have the green tomatoes, I have celery, carrots, parsley, cauliflower, my eggplants. You can skip the cauliflower and the eggplants. And I have mustard seeds, salt, dill seeds, peppers, garlic, sour cherry leaves. Normally it would be fresh horseradish, but I don't have it. You can skip both of them, but it's good to have one of them because it's gonna keep the pickles crunchier. I have my jars which are ready, and all I need to is to heat my brine and put everything in jars. You're gonna find the recipe in the description if you're interested. I'm doing this and Michael is chopping wood. The jars are ready. I'm gonna put the hot brine on top, then I'm gonna put the lids and cover them overnight. Then they're gonna be stored in a cool place till they're ready to be eaten. That's how they look when they have the brine. The recipe is very easy. It's almost like pickling cucumbers, yet you don't use vinegar, you just use water and salt for brine. After 4 to 6 weeks, they're good to eat with French fries, beans, steaks, anything related to a second course, even a stew. We are living near a small community, and often they're doing charities to help out different causes around. It was fun to be out with the neighbors. It is the next morning. The jars are all sealed. Everything is looking good. We'll see in a few weeks how good they are because I haven't done this in a while. But they are looking so good. just because I like to. I pickled some cauliflower also. This is pickled in vinegar. Same thing, after a few weeks, it's ready to eat. Questions or comments, you know where to put them.